Hey there, barbecue enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you grill masters out there, the Pit Beast New England BBQ Rub. This is hands down one of the best barbecue rubs you can find in the market, and I'm here to tell you why. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you love barbecue as much as I do. Now, let's talk about why the Pit Beast New England BBQ Rub is making waves in the barbecue community. First off, let's look at what makes this barbecue rub stand out. It's keto-friendly, sugar-free, and has zero carbs. So, if you're watching your carb intake or following a keto diet, this is a game changer. The ingredient list is impressive. It includes kosher sea salt, paprika, coarse ground black pepper, granulated garlic, spices, granulated onion, and turmeric. No MSG, no gluten, just pure flavor. Now, here's the fun part. This rub isn't just for one type of meat. You can use it on chicken, burgers, pork, beef, steak, and ribs. It's an all-purpose seasoning that'll take your grilling game to the next level. I've personally tried this rub on various meats, and let me tell you, the flavor it adds is phenomenal. It's savory, bold, and it really enhances the taste of your food. The Pit Beast New England BBQ Rub comes in a convenient 12.5-ounce container, so you'll have plenty to use for multiple grilling sessions. Now, let's talk about its popularity. On Amazon, it's ranked as one of the best sellers in the barbecue seasonings category. It's loved by barbecue enthusiasts like us. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what some of the customers have to say. As you can see, customers are raving about it. Whether you're grilling for a family dinner or a backyard barbecue party, the Pit Beast New England BBQ Rub won't disappoint. I've used this rub on some pork ribs, and the results were outstanding. The bark it created was not just flavorful but also had that perfect smoky crust we all crave. You can also get creative and use it on seafood and veggies for a unique twist. It's incredibly versatile. So, to sum it up, if you're looking for the best barbecue rub that's keto-friendly, sugar-free, and enhances the flavor of your grilled dishes, the Pit Beast New England BBQ Rub is a must-try. That's it for today's review, folks. If you've tried this rub or have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. And remember, for more product reviews and tips, subscribe to Product Critique. Until next time, happy grilling!